go to drchetantrivedi.com. Click on the website. Once you will have a website, you will be able to see that things are growing great. Read the instruction here given here carefully. What the instruction are given to you. Either go to listening, speaking, reading and writing exercises or the test tab which are available for you. Click on the listening. When you go to listening, you will be able to see step 1, step 2, step 3. So step 1 is pre-test, step 2 is while test and step 3 is post-test. You have to watch the video for the further instruction and then click below for the pre-test. So you have to click here. When you will click, you will be able to see that there is a test which is going to start soon. Wait for a while because your internet has to load. So once it will be loaded, you can able to appear for the full test. Okay, now give your email ID. Give your name, fill the details and then continue. You have to go through the task carefully, listen them, submit the answers. Okay, click on the answers you find appropriate. Complete all the exercise given and at the end click on the submit. Once you will submit, it will send mail to Mr. Kamlesh Joshi. Once you are done, okay, pre-test is over. Now go to while test, study the presentation, click on the article to read the article, click on the presentation to study the presentation. Okay, study the presentation and then go to practice test. It will take a while to load your practice test also. So wait for a while. It will load. Once it will load, you can able to it is loading. Sometime due to lower internet connection, it will take more time. Likewise, you have to click on the second test. Okay, and then fill the details as required.
Listening test.
Complete the task.
Listen the passage. Listen the given.
Okay, select the answers. Click next. Select the answer. Click next. Select the answer. Click next. Select the answer, and then submit. Yes, you are done. You can able to review the quiz. What is wrong? What is right? Okay. Then click on the post test. Here in the step 3, you have to complete the post test. Once you have given pre-test, the result of the pre-test and post-test is very important for the study. So click on the post-test, you will be able to see that it is starting. So fill your email ID, that is I have given here my email ID, my name, data, and then I want to go ahead. Complete the task as I said. Okay. Now go ahead, select the proper answer, go ahead. Select the proper answer, go ahead. Again complete the part of the job and then at the end submit the answers. Okay, you will be able to see